Want to start Pragmata with everything already unlocked? This starter save gives you a fully upgraded setup from the beginning. You get infinite Luna filament, upgrade components, pure Lunam, and cabin coins. The main character is at max level, and Diana's Pragmata level is maxed out too. Every weapon is available, along with all mods, skills, hacking abilities, and attachments. You also get every outfit for the main character and Diana, so you can customize both of them right away. This save is made for players who want to explore the full arsenal, test different builds, and access the game's content without starting from zero. Take a look at the rest of the video for more details, and let me know which weapon or outfit you would try first. Link in description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for other content like this.